Tesla Model Y drivers spend how much on insurance each month? And what about for a year? Now, you might be saving in gas and other maintenance costs, but these other expenses can add up. I pulled real quotes, and the results, they might surprise you. You're about to see real Tesla Model Y insurance costs. This can help you plan and prepare and compare. But first, here's exactly how much I've paid for my Model Y insurance. I bought a new long-range model at the start of 2023. My monthly insurance cost was $139.57. That works out to $1,675 a year. And since, it's bumped up a few times. But for a surprising twist, starting in 2025, my insurance dropped back down to about $143 in February. And for an annual cost, that works out to $1,716. So over this entire stretch, I didn't have any accidents and I didn't make any claims. I also didn't move. My home base is here in South Dakota. Although I drove all over the US. Feel free to check out my other Tesla videos. And as always, I'd really appreciate it if you just tap the like button as well as subscribe, because that helps me out as a small video creator. The cost of my Tesla Model Y insurance, it might seem cheap, especially for an around 30-year-old male driver, although there are many factors such as location. If you're paying for Tesla insurance, please share how much you pay in the comments, because that can really help us all out in the community, whether you already own a Tesla and you're kind of shopping around for better rates, or if you're thinking about buying one and want to be better financially prepared. Either way, I pulled some rough averages from a wide range of providers to kind of give you a good idea of what the cost might be. And in finding the best insurance for you, I do have 3 tips. And to be honest, this doesn't even apply, well, at least the first 2 tips don't apply to Teslas specifically. Up first, you're going to want to get multiple quotes. It's always good to shop around. Even if you don't change cars or move states, insurance companies can very drastically change your premiums and the policies. I got essentially ripped off by State Farm when I lived in Maryland. I switched to Geico at the time, but now being back in South Dakota, State Farm actually gave one of the lower quotes of the providers that was available for my Tesla Model Y. There's not too many of them around here yet, but they are becoming more popular on the roads. For tip number 2 for getting better insurance, you're going to want to call the insurance providers directly. It's best generally to avoid third-party companies and those quote aggregators. You'll see companies online that collect your information and then they can sell it out to other providers and pass along your info to a wide range of agents. You can cut out these middlemen and go straight to the source. You'll also likely get much fewer annoying sales calls. And a quick side note, be wary of insurance bundling. It could make sense in some cases, like getting a homeowner's insurance policy tied in for a little discount, but often it can just be more complexity and raise your total cost. For the third and final tip, specific to Tesla owners, at the time of filming, Tesla directly offers car insurance in 12 states, directly from the company. Tesla is really breaking down barriers in both direct car sales as well as in the insurance industry, both regulatory intense, regulatory captured industries. Tesla has some of the best data on its cars, drivers, and also maintenance and service for its vehicles. If you have great driving habits, a quote from Tesla directly, if available, it might end up being the best cost given comparable policies to other providers. It doesn't hurt to get a quote and compare. It really doesn't take a lot of time. There you have it. I really strive to make a lot of my videos straight to the point and packed with useful info. If you found this helpful at all, please tap that like button and subscribe. Feel free to ask any questions as well. And if you are feeling adventurous, you can check out my other Tesla car camping videos. On top of that, I'll link to my favorite Tesla accessories in the description and some other useful videos for Tesla buyers and owners. Now, without dragging on, I hope to see you again soon.